I'm just eating dinner right now, and I'm just videotaping it for no reason. Oh yeah, I got my cat back. It's really cool. The bad guy's still missing though. I'm scared. What the?
Drop the fork.
It's my fork.
Now drop it.
No, it's my fork. I think you bleed. Are you bleeding yet? You better be bleeding. Ew, he's bleeding. His hands are all bloody now. I neutered him. I'll wipe my eyeball his balls off. Well, his hands are covered in blood. See the blood on this fork? See it? Pretty cool, isn't it? Smells like blood. Tastes like blood. Yummy. I love the taste of blood. That blood actually tastes pretty good. No. Bye-bye, murderer. And I think that I should go to the bathroom.